Hello, everyone. Today, we will learn about Anna's daily routine. These are important words and sentences you can use in your own life. I will speak slowly and clearly to help you understand. If you follow me and read out loud, you will remember them better. Let's begin. My name is Anna. I'm a housewife. I have a husband called Michael. We have 2 kids, Emma and Jack. Our home is small but comfortable. It's in a peaceful area. Taking care of my family makes me very happy, even when I'm busy. I get up at 6 in the morning. Everything is very quiet. My family is still in bed. I go to the kitchen. I pull back the curtains. Light comes into the room. The morning air feels cool and clean. I can see pink and blue in the sky. Outside, I listen to birds in the trees. I prepare some hot coffee. I like the warm feeling of the cup. It helps me feel relaxed and ready. I sit by the window. I drink my coffee slowly. Sometimes I plan my day. Sometimes I just like the quiet time. Then I begin making breakfast. I cook eggs in a pan. I put bread in the toaster. I also prepare some fruit. The bread smells wonderful. My kids get up at 7 o'clock. Emma comes running to me. She gives me a big hug. Jack sits at the table. He's still sleepy. They both share their dreams with me. Michael comes in too. He looks happy and picks up the newspaper. We have breakfast as a family. We talk and enjoy each other. These are my favorite times. At 8, Emma and Jack get their bags ready for school. I look inside their lunch boxes. I want to be sure everything is there. Michael gives me a kiss and goes to his job. I stand outside and watch the kids go to their bus. I keep waving until they're gone. The house becomes quiet again. I start cleaning in the kitchen. I put the dishes in the sink and wash them. I clean the table with a cloth. Everything goes back where it belongs. After that, I sweep the floor. I also water the plants. I enjoy looking after them. Some plants have beautiful flowers. Others are just green and grow tall. They help the house look alive and pretty. At about 9:30, I go to the bedrooms. I make all the beds look neat. I also open the windows. Fresh air comes inside. Then it's time for washing clothes. I fill the washing machine with dirty clothes. I push the button to start it. The machine makes a nice, quiet sound. While it works, I turn on some music. I sometimes sing the songs. This makes the housework more fun. Around 11, the clothes are clean. I take them outside. I hang them up so the sun can dry them. There's a light wind. The air has a pleasant smell. I stop working for a minute. I close my eyes and feel the warm sun. After that, I look in the refrigerator. I need to know what food to buy. I write everything down on paper, things like vegetables, bread, milk, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes I write down something special for Emma and Jack, maybe cookies or some chocolate. When it's 12 o'clock, I make my own lunch. I don't make anything difficult. Maybe I heat up some vegetable soup, or I make a sandwich with cheese. I take my lunch to the table. I also bring a book to read. Nobody else is home. I hear the clock on the wall. Everything feels calm and nice. When I finish eating, I put on my jacket. I pick up my shopping bag. I leave the house and walk to the store. It's not far from here. While I walk, I greet people who live nearby. The store isn't very large, but I can find what I need. I pick out fresh vegetables. I get a new loaf of bread and a bottle of milk. I look at the eggs very carefully. I don't want any that are cracked. When I pay, the woman at the register is friendly. She tells me, "Have a good day." I say thank you and smile. I return home and put my shopping away. Now I can start making dinner. I wash and cut vegetables for salad. I put rice in a pot to cook. I add special flavors to the chicken, things like garlic and herbs. The kitchen starts to smell really good. Yummy. While everything cooks, I go to the living room. I arrange the cushions nicely. I also clean dust from the furniture. At 4 in the afternoon, I hear the bus arrive. Emma and Jack come inside quickly. Their school bags fall on the ground. They both want to tell me about school. Emma has a picture she made in her art lesson. Jack talks about the football game he played with other kids. We all sit down together. We eat something small, maybe fruit or some biscuits. My husband gets home at around 6. He puts his arms around the children. He asks them questions about their school day. Then all of us sit at the table for dinner. We eat the food I prepared. We have conversations and share stories that make us laugh. The kids are happy. I feel the love in our home. When dinner ends, I clean the dishes one more time. Michael helps me. He takes the dishes I wash and makes them dry. Together, we wipe down the table. We put extra food in the refrigerator to save it. On some evenings, we all sit and watch something on television. Other times, Emma and Jack play games at the table. I finish any small jobs that are left. At 8:30, the children need to prepare for bed. They clean their teeth and change into their night clothes. I choose a story to read to them. Emma really likes stories about princesses and magic. Jack prefers stories with exciting adventures. When the story finishes, I give them both a kiss. I switch off the bedroom light. At 9, I make myself a cup of tea. I sit down on the comfortable sofa. I drink slowly. I think about everything that happened today. Sometimes I use the phone to talk to my mother. She always wants to know how Emma and Jack are doing. Before I go to sleep, I look at my list for tomorrow. I add anything new I must remember to buy or do. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and change into my pajamas. I lie down in my bed. My body feels tired, but my heart feels good. Every day is full of work, but I am happy. I hope you found these words useful today. Try to use them in your daily life. We are creating more easy-to-understand stories to help you improve. If this lesson was helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you soon.